Hello everyone, it's Matthew McKenzie here, and I'm here to help raise awareness of Mental Health Awareness Week 2025. I have to apologize for not making a video earlier for a while now because I'm actually trying to recover from a cold, so I do hope it doesn't come out too much during the video. I'm still actually recovering. But anyway, my YouTube channel, A Care in Mind, actually focuses on caring for someone with mental health. So I tend to often raise awareness of unpaid carers who are caring for someone with mental ill health for a fairly long time if they're trying to care for someone with chronic or serious mental health needs. So this week, Mental Health Awareness Week, on the 16th of May, actually, I'm midway of running this video campaign midway through Mental Health Carers Week. It actually starts from the 12th of May to the 18th of May. So this video is actually being made on the 16th. And the point of Mental Health Awareness Week is actually that people are highlighting together to shine a light on, something that's powerful, something that I feel that is vital, and that is actually community. So yeah, the theme for Mental Health Awareness Week is actually community. Now, for over 2 decades, one of the national charities, actually in this video I'm showing quite a few national mental health charities, but this charity, Mental Health Foundation, they've actually led that week on the focus on reflection and trying to promote action on mental health awareness and well-being across the UK. But for the year 2025, more now than ever, there's actually a focus on the connections that actually keep us grounded. There's a focus on the support systems that actually help us rise, and that is actually how I would say communities that remind us we are actually never really truly alone, even though at times I'm sure many of us feel that way. So being part of a supportive community isn't or shouldn't really be just a nice to have thing. It's actually, I would say, something that should be there as a lifeline for the rest of someone's life. Now, whether it's your family or neighbors or close friends, online friends, even a local support group or local care support group, or co-workers. These are, I would say, circles of care or caring that have the power to transform lives and protect our own mental well-being. When we feel connected, we feel safer, we actually find purpose, and we actually find hope. So, from parents who are caring for someone, navigating stress and burnout, to refugees who are only looking to finding safety and belonging, to trans and non-binary individuals building chosen families. The impact of community is actually everywhere, and it's deeply personal. No person is actually the same. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Community is deeply personal and complex, whether it's online or offline, big groups, or even just quiet friendships. Community actually isn't about numbers. It's actually really about meaning as well. Now listen, while we actually celebrate these powerful connections, we must also face the truth that, and I've mentioned before, not everyone actually has access to safe and supportive spaces. A fair number of my videos off the channel does look into the point of inequality. We also have to include poverty, and as in this day and age, there is online harm that continue to fracture communities and isolate people. Going through some of the sites that are raising awareness or leading on raising awareness for Mental Health Awareness Week 2025, it's been stated that 68% of young people have actually seen online content that disturbed them. We also have 35% that actually have been exposed to posts about suicide or self-harm. And lastly, 20% that have actually encountered harmful or pro-eating disorder messages. So that's why this year, 2025, many are calling for urgent reform to protect mental health online and focus on rebuilding communities that over the years have been eroded by underinvestment and neglect. Now, because without this community, there is no mental health. And this, as I said, this is something I always go on about in my videos or my blog posts, is community. What I've mentioned before isn't just statistics, they're actually forms of proof. And that proof that we need to focus on together, we can use those statistics to create change. So for this Mental Health Awareness Week and others that will follow on from next year, I do hope that you join and share your story, start a conversation, host a fundraiser. Be that person who makes a difference, even if it's just offering someone a cup of tea when they need it most. Because the good things we do for each other help us cope with the hard things we often end up facing alone. Mental health is actually everything, and it's everywhere, and it's for everyone. So this week, for 2025, I'd say let's stand together and make sure no mind is left behind. Thank you for watching this video of my Caring Mind site. I do hope to hear from you again. If you like the video, give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my video channel. Look after your mind.